everybody, I am Ipshita and today I have Vijay Kumar Mishra here, and today we will be discussing some things on organ donation. So let's start. What are your views on organ donation?
My views on organ donation is it is a very good steps, and it is a gift of life. One donor is donating to gifting to a receiver. So as on this occasion is also celebrated on 13th of August as a organ donation day.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, even I have the same views. So yeah, it is a very, in my opinion, it is a very good initiative taken by the government to introduce and to approve organ donation in the nation. Yeah. So why do most people do not sign up for organ donation?
Generally, it is a human tendency, and basically people. It is because of mistrust on the doctors and medical staff and organization, hospitals, considering that there could be chances of black marketing of the organs which has been donated by the individual and his family member. And another thing is people are scared of undergoing painful surgery. These are the various reasons why people generally do not sign off for the organ donations. It is just lack of awareness.
Yeah, so because of lack of awareness and because of mistrust and on the medical staff, and they don't know that yeah, there are ways where painless surgeries, they can undergo painless surgeries to donate the organs, and they don't have enough trust on the doctors, and they are afraid that there might be a black marketing of their organs. So because of that, most people do not sign up for organ donation, and because of that, on an average 150 people are added to a country's organ transplant waiting list a day, on a daily basis, and one is added every 10 minutes. So this leads to a huge problem on a yearly basis, annually, and there are a lot of people waiting for the organs, but yeah, there are not a lot of donators, there are not a lot of donors, but there are a lot of waiting people. They always have a feeling, they always wait for the people, they always have a feeling that yeah, somebody will come to help me, but yeah, there are not a lot of people, and because of that, that leads to the death of many people, and it also reduces the population by a lot. So how will you promote organ donation to solve this issue?
So one thing we should understand that there are large gap between donors and receivers. I mean the people who need it. So it is only because of lack of awareness. So there are various steps we should take, or government should take to promote these organ donations. Like nowadays, internet is the great media by which any information or these kind of things can be promoted. As of now, like generally people who are not used to go for any being part of any campaign or any educational, not connected to any educational society, but you'll find that most of the people are still will be exposed to internet.
Yeah.
So using internet for promoting these steps, creating awareness in society among people, and educational campaign.
Yeah.
So these are the various steps can be taken to create the awareness among the people.
Okay.
Also, people should understand that in our lifetime, we or our family members can be as a receiver anytime. So we must think that we should be donor too.
Yeah. So would WHO, World Health Organization, be a great medium to spread this, to promote this, because nowadays, during this pandemic especially, most people have started following it. Most people have started putting their beliefs in that. So would it be a great medium to spread the awareness among
Yeah,
people?
obviously, as you said, it is a trustworthy organization, and most of the people trust, and it is obviously it is World Health Organization, so generally people trust to them. So if they take any steps to promote such activity or such steps, so generally people will trust them and will be aware to. This will be a great steps if WHO is taking steps for promoting these organ donations.
Yeah. So why do most people donate their family members or their organs only after their corpse? Why don't they donate it when they are alive?
As I said, it is a human tendency, and it is a like there are a couple of things like when people think after dying there is no use of the organs, so then it can be donated, and thing like their life will be measurable if they do not if they donate the organs being healthy. So these are the reasons. Ultimately, it is a lack of awareness that the people among the people. So people do not shine off to donate their organs being live.
Yeah. So I have heard, I've got to hear that about 8 lives can be saved by one deceased person or even by a healthy person. Is it true?
Yes, it is true. Healthy life, like you see, the now we have two kidneys.
Yeah.
So one can be, I can live with one kidney very healthy.
Yeah.
So like even if I donate one kidney, so it will not affect on my life.
Yeah.
So like that, one person can save like donating one eyes, one kidneys. So can save 8 lives by donating, being healthy.
Yeah. So even a healthy person can donate, can save up to 8 lives. That too, without leading a miserable life in the future. That too, living healthily too in the future. So that would reduce. That would obviously reduce the people who are waiting for getting the organs and for getting donation of their organs. So I think that would be a great thing to promote, as this would save a lot of population, and also this would like reduce the people waiting for the organs, right?
Yes, obviously. Uh, this will be very helpful if unhealthy people is donating their organs and without affecting their own life. And
Yeah.
the ratio between the donors and receiver will ultimately reduce, and it is as gift to the needy people, gift of life to the needy people. It would be great to this organ donation.
Yeah. So is it lack of trust and lack of awareness that leads uh, to the corpse of many people, because they don't have trust, they don't have awareness towards organ donation, they lack in the trust towards the strangers to whom they want to donate the organs. So is it because of the lack of trust and awareness that the number of people waiting for the organs is getting increased annually?
Yes, like it is one who is donor. It is they do not know who is going to donate, whether he should donate or not. It is going to the right needy people or not, and like also whether if it is donated, then it is going to the needy people or not. It can be going for the black marketing.
Yeah. Yeah, so thank you for being with us today and sharing your opinion, and also spreading awareness amongst many people. I hope this will help a lot towards the field of organ donation. Thank you. Thank you.